Alright, so here's my brother and I cleaning up the headliner, the wire brush, putting on the fabric, spraying on the spray glue. Oh, I got too much right there. You can see how much I put in there right there? It's like a wet spot. But then I try to wipe it off with a rag, but that didn't help too much. But then when it dried, there was no marking, so I guess it worked out. Alright guys, so for this project on my Land Rover, I'm replacing the headliner. Not the whole thing, but I just did the fabric right here. I went to Walmart actually. Got some fabric. Wasn't too expensive. I forgot how much I spent. Probably like 40 bucks. I don't know. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I glued it on with some spray glue. Cut out the holes for the windows, everything. Now I'm ready to put it inside of my truck. It's been out for a couple months, so I'm ready for it to look nice. I've fixed up some leaks. I have cleared out the drain hoses. What else? Yeah, so now it's time to get it on. All right, so here I am putting in the first headliner handle. I forgot what you call these. Maybe I never knew how to call these. But yeah, there's four of those. Taking off the headliner was pretty easy. The hardest part was probably trying not to lose the bolts and the screws and everything that hold everything together. But you know, it's pretty basic. You put everything in bags, or you take videos, or you take pictures. You take off your sunroof visors, then you take off your lights because those have bolts in the back of them. You take off your sunroof seals, take off the handles. You have to take the back trim and the trunk off as well. Those come off pretty easy. You just have to pull out those clips. Yeah, you get your materials ready for when you're ready to put them on. You gotta clean this. You gotta clean it up with a little brush. Make sure you clean the headliner when it doesn't have any fabric on it. Then you go to Walmart. You know, you get some good spray adhesive. When you're spraying your adhesive on the fabric, you have to wait until the glue kind of dries off a little bit, because if you leave it wet and then you put the fabric on it, it kind of creates a stain, which happened to me while doing this, but the stain went away afterwards. When once it dried, it went away. I don't know if that always happens or if it was just me because I try to rub it off, but I can't even notice it anymore. There's my brother right here helping me out. We're putting back the visors. Second one, screw, 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 screw. This one took the longest right here. I had to go over them like 4 times. They just didn't tighten, but I got it down afterwards. Alright, so moving up to the next light, pulling out the wires. You have right here, you have the light, and then on the other little hole, you have the sunroof control. Very cinematic. Oh, these right here, they were pretty hard to put in because you can't really see them once you put the screwdriver in the slot. So you just kind of have to feel to see if you get it in. All right. The last details are the easiest. You just put in your switch panels, put in your lights, slap that on right there. What else? You go to the back, put on your third light. All you gotta do is put on those two nuts because the roof has its own brace for that. It helps hold up the whole headliner, which is pretty useful. I love how many lights the Land Rover has on its headliner. I do want to add more though, just for some extra lighting. But right here is the last part where we put the plastic molding, the part that we have to take out to get it out. You put a couple plastic pin clips back in there. Some of them broke while I was trying to do it, but I was able to get the main ones in there to hold it down. And yeah, my whole trim is in now. It looks nice. I'm gonna post some pictures. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. Here's a couple pictures for you to see of how much fun we had doing this job. It's fairly easy if you have second headliner on a disco or just any car. It might make it look a little messy, but the truth is, with a little bit of money and a little bit of time, you can do this for a quarter of the price and learn a lot while doing it. Thank you guys for watching.